Let's look at three examples of performing reflections. First, we're going to look at a horizontal line, then we'll look at a vertical line, and then we'll look at one in the line y equals x. So the key with any reflection is that every point from our pre-image has to be the same distance across the line of reflection when we form our new image. So for a horizontal line, this red line here, it's kind of light, hopefully you can see it, looks like it's the line y equals 3. So every point from our triangle here is going to be reflected across that line. So let's just look at the vertices. Those are kind of the key points, and we can start anywhere we want. Let's go and start with this one. So it's only 2 away from our line, so it's going to be reflected across, and it's going to come down, and it'll be right there. 2 just on the opposite side, straight down. Now as we look at our other points, let's see, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away from the line, so it's going to go up 7 from the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it'll be right there. And our last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the line, so it'll go 6 above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can close it off. So there is our reflected image across that line. Let's check ourselves. And it says we're correct. Of course, we also have our reflection rules that can help us. If it's the axis, those y values just change signs, but where it's shifted up or down, I think sometimes it's easier just to simply count those out. Okay, let's go look at another example. All right, this time we have a vertical line. It looks like it's the line x equals 2, so we're going to take this triangle, reflect it across that line, so it'll end up over here. Again, same thing. Let's just count. If it was the y-axis, the x values would simply switch signs, but where it's shifted a little bit, let's just count over and see where things at. Now this is probably the easiest one to start with. It's right on the line, so it's going to stay there. This point is 1, 2, 3, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3 over there. Notice the y value is staying the same, right? It's the same height. We're just changing the x value. And then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over, so it's going to be 6 on the other side of our line of reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's close off our figure. Notice that looks like a reflection, doesn't it? Looks like it just flipped over. And we can check ourselves. And we are correct. Okay, let's go do one more. This is the line y equals x. This is a little bit trickier, but we do have a rule for this one. The x and the y values just switch. So in this case, it might be helpful to use that rule. Now this one's nice because it's right on the line, so it's not going to change. Let's go look at our next point. So this is 2, negative 2. So those values are going to switch for the reflection. So it's going to become negative 2, 2. So it would be right there. Our last vertex is at 4, 2. So it's going to switch to 2, 4. So it's going to go to 2 and be up here at 4. Now let's close off our figure. Hey, that looks like a reflection, doesn't it? We can check ourselves. And we are correct. I hope that helps with these reflections. It's much easier to see it than just to try to describe it with a written example. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor.